The process of cleaning a fishing boat's hull from barnacles begins by bringing the boat to a dry dock located by the seaside. The dry dock serves as a platform to lift the boat out of the water, making maintenance work easier. The boat is raised using specialized equipment, such as cranes or rail systems, carefully ensuring the hull remains undamaged during the process. Once the boat is secured in the dry dock, workers start the cleaning process. Barnacles attached to the hull are removed using tools like metal brushes, scrapers, or high-pressure water jets. This meticulous cleaning ensures the hull is restored to a clean and smooth condition. Removing barnacles is essential because they can hinder the boat's movement in the water, increase fuel consumption, and potentially damage the protective coating of the hull. After the cleaning process is completed, the boat is lowered back into the water. The freshly cleaned boat is then moored at the dock, ready to sail again. This maintenance process not only ensures the boat's efficiency but also extends its lifespan and supports its sustainable operation.